Hello?
Close the door myself.
Mirri?
Hello?
Mirri?
Hello?
Mirri?
Hello?
Mirri?
Hello?
Mirri?
Hello?
Oh my god,
Oh,
hi!
hi.
Hi, what happened to you? What was that? What was that?
Bug!
What was it?
Hello? Amora?
Oh no!
Amora? He stole the thing! He stole the thing! He stole it, Amora! He stole the thing!
Amora! Amora, you're gonna put that down! Put it down! Put it down!
What do you mean?
It's static electricity! You're gonna get fucking shocked by lightning! I saw it buzzing!
Smite me! Smite me! No, oh no, don't tempt it! You wouldn't dare! Don't tempt it! You wouldn't dare! You would.
Does
Amora?
the bug stole her stuff? Did Amora die? What happened to Amora?
Fucking died!
Well, the bug stole our stuff, I think. The bug stole our stuff.
Amora fucking died! I can't!
I think we just have to sell what we have and hope and pray that we made enough money. Alright then.
Well, chat, this is a vital lesson. You play stupid games, you
Bring
win
anything
stupid
back.
prizes.
It's okay, we have all this stuff that we can sell.